What's up, guys? It's your boy Jay. Welcome to Jay's World. So let's snack. Now look, I'm just gonna be honest, completely 100% honest with all of you. My spirit is vexed. My spirit is real vexed. And as you can see by the title of this video and the slight meltdown, that I got issues. First of all, let me explain. Thanksgiving is one of my favorite food holidays, okay? Now don't get me wrong, Christmas is my all-time favorite holiday. But when it comes to the food, definitely Thanksgiving is number one. So look, I'm minding my business, going about my day yesterday. And one of my subscribers sends me a picture of some Pringles. And not just any Pringles, roasted turkey flavored Pringles.
Not today.
Can you believe this? Right at Thanksgiving time. I mean, look, I can't explain this. I have no idea what's going on, but needless to say, I am vexed. My whole spirit is vexed. You mean to tell me that Pringles expects this to taste like this? Pringles, y'all done lost y'all minds. And guess what? People want me to taste this.
All my life, I had to fight. I had to fight the smell of chitlins. I had to fight the smell of that nasty green bean casserole with the crummy stuff on the top of it.
Now you mean to tell me I got to fight Pringles because y'all trying to replace the turkey? Man, y'all done lost y'all minds. Okay, fine. I'll taste the things, but I swear, and I mean I swear, this better taste like roasted turkey or else. And with all of that said, let's get to snack. This is absolutely insane. I can't believe this. Look, Thanksgiving is next week, y'all, okay? I can't serve this to people. Whew. It better taste good. And it better taste like roasted turkey, I'll tell you that much. Okay. Ugh. That smells really, really weird. Really, really weird. I don't know what that smell is, but it does not smell like roasted turkey. Okay. Why do I do this stuff? Why do I put myself through this stuff? Oh my God. Y'all better be lucky I love y'all. That's all I'm saying. Okay, enough stalling. Here we go. Bon appetit. Okay. Interesting. Let me give it one more bite. Okay, the verdict is in. And you guys know I'm honest with you guys. I'm always honest. And I have to tell you. Actually, not that bad. I mean, seriously, it really isn't that bad. Now here's the thing. It doesn't exactly taste like turkey. Oh, okay. It tastes turkey-ish. And I'm really pleasantly surprised that they actually somehow manufactured a faint turkey taste. Now, I'm a huge fan of Pringles, so as far as I'm concerned, Pringles really can't do much wrong, But this actually is pretty decent. I mean, it tastes like turkey. A little. So it's turkey-ish. So the only thing I can say is, nice try, Pringles. You didn't quite exactly capture the flavor of turkey, but you came pretty close. Not too bad. So I'm not going to give it a Jay's thumbs down or a thumbs up. I'm going to give it a, you know what I mean? I want to give it a thumbs up, but it won't quite make it there. So it's sort of in between, but not that bad. Not that bad. Okay, all right, so there you have it, okay? I tested the roasted turkey flavored Pringles. Are you satisfied now? Now can you enjoy your Thanksgiving, okay? All right, are we cool now? The things I won't do for you guys. All right, guys, that's it. That's all I got. Please don't forget to rate, comment, and do what? Subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. What are you waiting on? And after you subscribe, please don't forget to hit the bell notification, because when you hit that bell notification, every time I drop a video, YouTube will send you notifications. And you too can be down with the notification squad. That's it. That's all I got. And I'll holler at you later. Peace.